I start to sail along these ocean waves. Nobody knows how to find us. It's turning out to be a perfect day. I just wanna leave our normal lives behind us. So let's get lost out here, no one else out here. Find ourselves out here. Oh, we could disappear into this atmosphere where this water's clear. Yeah, we don't have to go back to what we used to.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope everything is fine. And for this video, I'm going to unbox the Sephora. It's a brush and makeup set that I bought last year. I think it's November. It's before the second lockdown. Now it's the time to open because it's springtime and I need the eyeshadows and the brushes because the one I already used, it's almost finished. And yeah, I bought the brushes. It's a complexion uncomplicated brush set. It's 5 different brushes and includes the small tutorial. Yeah, this one it's like, yeah, they have a small pouch to put inside the brushes. This one is a big for the blush on, the foundation or the powder. This one is for concealer, and the 2 brushes, the small one it's for the eye. Yeah, I think it's for the eye and for the eyeshadows. Yeah, I really like this, and the brush is like very soft. Yeah, actually I have some breakouts because I'm allergic with the mask now, but it's like it's drying now. I put some gel for acne. Yeah, this brush is like, it's perfect. It's very soft. They have here this one, it's for foundation brush. The second one is like here, it's for the concealer. The big one is the powder brush, and the second it's for the buffing brush. It's like that. The small one is for the detailed concealer brush. Yeah, it can use also for the eyes. And they have a pouch inside to put the brushes. For the big one, for the brush, powder brush, the buffing, the foundation. No, this one is for the foundation. The concealer and the detailed concealer brush. Like that. Yeah, and it's very convenient for to put for the makeup kit during travel. Like that inside the pouch, and like it's very convenient. Yeah. It's like a small wallet. And I bought this small eyeshadow palette for spring and summer collection from Nars. Actually, it's my first time to use this for the palette, because before I'm using Urban Decay, and I'm using nude from Urban Decay. I don't want too much dark, it's like only light color, so I prefer this one for the spring and summer collection. And the one I bought also is from Nars. It's a concealer. I use this since a couple years. It's a concealer to put under the eyes. The color is medium to free. The brush, I hate this, I have big pimples. And that's it. Also, it's from Nars. Next time I will use the eyeshadows that I bought, and I get a free sample. It's a Magic Eye Rescue from Charlotte Tilbury. Yeah. It's like it's like a concealer. So that's all. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and hope you enjoy watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and hit the notification bell for the updates of my next video. Bye guys, see you around.